What's up guys, welcome to What the Code. Today we are building a slick, shiny UI with React, Vite, Tailwind CSS and React Slick carousels. Buckle up, it's gonna be a quick and fun. First open your terminal, yes, that scary black box, and type this to create a new Vite app. Select React as the framework and then JavaScript. Easy peasy. Now follow the steps it gives you. Copy the code and paste it in the next line. Boom, your React app is alive. Next type code space dot to open the project in VS Code. Look at you, coding like a pro. Now let's add Tailwind CSS. Run this command to install Tailwind CSS. Once it is done, open vite.config.js, import Tailwind CSS and add it to the plugins array. Trust me, it's like giving your app a superhero cape. Open index.css and clear it out and add this import statement. Then delete app.css, we don't need it, so just toss it in the trash. Now open app.jsx, select all the code and delete it. Yep, you heard me right, delete it. Time to install React Slick. Run this command in the terminal. This is where the magic happens, carousels that will make your UI pop. Okay, I'm not going to bore you with typing all the code. Yep, I heard you guys. I have pre-written the entire app.jsx with React Slick carousels for galleries, testimonials, products, timelines, and onboarding screens. Just grab it from the GitHub link in the description and paste it into app.jsx. It's got imports, state hooks, data arrays, and slick settings. Everything you need for a complete UI. Finally, back in the terminal, hit npm run dev and check out your masterpiece at this link. Look at those smooth carousels. Now the code is in the GitHub link below. Clone it, tweak it, make it yours. That's it vlogs. Smash that like button, subscribe for more helpful videos like this and let me know what you want to see next. Peace out.